Hi, I'm Jamie, your Customer Success Manager here at Clone Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up and personalizing your user profile. You'll see how to update your name, upload a unique avatar, and adjust your display settings for the best experience. Let's dive in and get you set up for success. When you log in to Clone Studio, you'll start on the main dashboard, where you can view and manage all your clones, each tailored for a specific role or workflow. To access your user profile, look to the top right and click your avatar. Clicking your avatar opens the account menu. From here, you can select Profile to view and edit your personal information, or Display to adjust your app's appearance. For now, let's click Profile. On the profile page, you'll see your current avatar, name, email, join date, and how many organizations you're part of. There are quick links to the terms of use and privacy policy if you ever need them. To update your info, click Edit Profile in the top right. The Edit Profile modal lets you change your display name and update your avatar image. Your email is shown for reference and can't be changed here. To update your avatar, click Change Avatar. If you want to remove your current image entirely, there's a Remove Avatar option as well. For this walkthrough, we'll cancel out and show how to create a new avatar image. Open Clone Chat and paste your image prompt. For example, please generate an image of you, a tight one-to-one shot showing you as a heroic medieval knight, hardened from battles. As you fill in your real name and your teammates do the same, clones can learn to associate names with user emails for smarter, more personalized interactions. Image generation takes about 15 seconds, so feel free to experiment with prompts and styles. For more ideas and tips, check out our dedicated Clone Chat video. Once your image appears, right-click or open it in a new tab to copy the image URL. Return to your profile, click Edit Profile, then Change Avatar. Paste the image URL or select the file you just saved. Remember, images generated in Clone Chat are available for about an hour, so save them locally or add to your gallery if you want to reuse them later. Click Open to set your new avatar. For a finishing touch, click your avatar again and choose Display. Here you can select Browser Auto, Light, or Dark Mode. Dark mode is great for long work sessions, helping reduce eye strain and even saving a bit of power. Pick your preference and hit Save. And that's all there is to it. Your Clone Studio profile is now set up and personalized. Keeping your profile up to date helps your team connect with you and ensures your clones deliver a more personal experience. For more tips, check out our other how-to videos on Clone Chat and workflow automation. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time in Clone Studio.